think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Okay, once again, welcome everybody. You're watching GamerCat, or yeah, what? Gotta get this right. Okay, start this over. welcome everyone. My name is GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. In this recording, we will hopefully finish our quest to get combo characters using our Gadget Sand Dockside deck. And like I said in the last video, this deck has really been struggling. We will hopefully only lose one more star at worst. Maybe if we pull off a victory, we can start to redeem ourselves a little bit. By the way, I managed to fix the sound issue. I checked. The sound sounds a lot better now that I've moved the microphone over to the table and I'm not holding it. Oh. Haven't seen Tyrande in a while. That's still a priest though, so I don't care. I do kind of care that I'm starting first, but oh well. I'll get over it. You're creepy. I don't have nothing I can do yet. Okay. Well, Tyrande, you get to move first, basically.
Is someone injured?
I hate you. That doesn't help me at all right yet. You know what? We're gonna kill you. We're gonna get rid of you right now. I dislike this character, the Northshire cleric. Hater. So here you go. Haven't done anything. Yeah.
Here we go.
Kill. There we are. I'll take 1 point of damage, but you won't be healing people up all over the place.
Are you mocking me?
He's holding a dragon, so this is probably a priest dragon deck. I have one of those as well, but let's see. Oh, no. Hold on. I have 3, so I'll go ahead and enhance my weapon and go ahead and get 2 characters out for the price of 1. Now I do have to hit the taunt character, so let's go ahead and do that. I don't mind. He's going to die soon. He's going to die soon. Oh, by the way, I need to do 2 combo cards in order to complete the quest, and that's one of them right here. Right there. Let's go ahead and do you. Nice. Okay, what do I want to do with this guy? Because I'm going to be able to do 2 points of damage to him with him. Oh well, let's go ahead and kill off our taunt adversary there. And go ahead and start hitting the face. The Northshire cleric is not going to be able to do much damage. In the meantime, I'd love to have my opponent waste energy healing himself, if at all possible. Beefing the Northshire cleric up quite a bit. Oh well, not much of a problem. So, okay, discover a death rattle card. Blah blah blah. You know, you're useless. You know, in actuality, I like you. And we'll go ahead and use both of these to give him +1/+1 and you +1/+1. Yeah, a lot. Okay. With this in mind, we're going to go ahead and nuke the cleric, and then face and face. And by the way, we have completed the quest. So we're in good shape. You're going to kill that character. That's pretty formidable. Now the good news is that the character's attack is not very high. So I've got some options here. Let's go ahead and summon our sort of queen here. Although we're not running a Jade deck, of course, but still. So let's see. 5, 6, 7. You know what? Let's let you make the move and figure out which one you want to kill. Because if he goes after one of my big ones, that'll knock him down by 5 points. And yeah, he didn't. I don't think. Oh yeah, he did. Good. He gained himself back to 9, but Reno Jackson. Okay, now we are playing a Reno Jackson deck. This deck does not have any duplicates. We don't want to do it right now, though, because we'd only heal 3 points. We want to do this if he wins. We want to do this when it would be most advantageous for us to do it. So, let's do this. Do I care about doing 2 points of damage rather than 4? You die now. Oh, not a problem. And then we'll go ahead and make sure that one of these guys dies anyway. And I'm not going to go ahead and attack him right there. There we go. Yike. Regenerating and healing. Drat. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get you out there. I don't want to. Well, I mean, no. Let's go ahead and go to the next turn. That kind of distracts a little bit there, but not much, really. See, at about this point, if I'm him, I don't care about me, because all I'm going to do is blow that taunt guy out of the way and keep up the attack on the face. He's not going to do that, though. He's putting in way too much. Oh, this is nice. He's nice. I like him. Okay, hold on. Right now he can do 4, 8, 11, 16. Let's try it. Alright, well, you know what? Let me see if I can kill something. That didn't really help nothing.
Here we go.
Wow, that worked pretty good. Now that worked pretty good. I can ignore taunt. That's pretty cool. He's gonna die this turn, but even better. Oh no. Okay, you have to hit the enemy. Okay. Damn. That was pretty cool. I like that. That was nice. Now did I fuck up? And nope, I should be good. There you go. There you go, guys. Guess what? Now, does it actually save me? I don't know. Let me try it. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh. What the hell? So... Well, let me try it. Nope. Apparently I have a double in there. Fuck. Crap. Nah. We're gonna lose this one, but we're gonna go ahead and finish off the quest, though. So there we go. We'll concede again. I'll be happy to quit playing Valera because my ladder climb has taken a beating so far. Anyway, yeah, you still get experience points even if you get a defeat. And there we go. There's the reason why we did this. Okay, and we have 180 points. We're only 20 points off of 200, which is good. So, yeah, something else next time. What did I want to do? What did I want to show? Oh, I'll show you. Next time when I actually get the 20 points down here and get 200, I'll show you the cards that I get. In the meantime, if you liked what you've seen, please leave some comments in the section below. In the meantime, this is Gamer Cat signing out.